Hi, greetings. My name is Maksudul. I am from the technical support team at E1 Solution. In this recording, I will show you how to use export import to move a custom list in Popdock. We also have documented steps in our knowledge base. Let's head over to Popdock. In Popdock, navigate to Menu, Connectors. I'm going to export a custom list from Business Central Demo Sandbox. Let's go and edit the connector by click on pencil. Navigate to the custom list option. I can see there is BC plus GP customer merge list. Go ahead and edit this merge list. Then we can navigate to the export option. I'll go ahead and click to export. If you need to enter a description, please do. In my case, I will leave it blank and click on export. You can see the export is completed. Next, let's navigate to the connector where I would like to import this exported list. I can navigate through the breadcrumb, go to connector again, and I would like to import this custom list to this Business Central connector. So go ahead and edit. Navigate to the custom list. And I have the option to import a custom list. Click here to browse the file that I just exported, and I'm going to select user, my name, and click import. I can see import is completed successfully. If I click on preview, click on show details, you can see no company has been selected for the custom list. So let's go to the merge list, and I can see for the GP list we can edit, and we can go to the companies. You can click on add companies. I'm going to select all these GP companies. Next, going back to the custom list, and I also have to do for the Business Central customer. Going to the companies, add companies. Now we can go back to the custom list, and we would be able to preview this list. Hope this recording will be helpful. Thank you very much.